Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Viral. Talking about ExpressVPN. It's one of the most popular VPN right now. Is it worth the hype? Let's check it out. With over 3000 plus servers in over 160 countries, ExpressVPN claims to be one of the fastest VPN in the world. And in this video, we'll actually check that out. Firstly, we'll be testing their speed on different servers, test it with different streaming services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and then later on we will talk about the security and leak test issues too. Before we discuss some quick facts, ExpressVPN is not a part of any of the large international surveillance programs, and it is headquartered in British Virgin Islands. The place in itself doesn't have any data retention laws, so you don't have to worry about anyone retaining or sharing your data to anyone else. They are providing the apps for almost all devices like Mac operating system, Windows, Linux, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and routers too. And if you are looking for a VPN access to all the streaming services, then this is one of the best fit for you because ExpressVPN unblocks Netflix not just on the PCs but also on the non-VPN compatible devices such as Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, and smart TVs by using Media Streamer. Now we're gonna run some tests with ExpressVPN, and first of all we will test its speed and check how fast it is. Now I'm going to speed test and check my default internet speed. Right now I'm not connected to any of the VPN services, and here it is my final speed. Now I'm going to connect my PC with ExpressVPN with different locations and test my internet speed with all those locations. As speed of the internet also depends on which VPN server you connect and load on that server at that particular time. The ping will always get high if you choose the server away from our original location, as we can see in the results. Overall downloading and uploading speed is good when we compare it with other available services. You will also get somewhat lower speed than the normal whenever you are connected with VPN, but no matter which VPN service you are using at particular time, but ExpressVPN gives you much better speed and connectivity than any of his rivals in the field. Now, if we look at the security features, ExpressVPN will not keep log of your traffic data. According to ExpressVPN, even if government were to physically seize one of their VPN servers and to manage to break its disk encryption, there would be no logs or information that would tie any of individual user to a particular event, website, or behavior. So, with no worries, you can use split tunneling to access things like Netflix. No wonder the ExpressVPN is highly rated and its customer support has great reviews. We personally ran some tests like DNS leak, WebRTC leak, and ExpressVPN has performed really great in all those tests. We'll share all these with fast forward to save your time. Now, having another test, we're gonna check how it performs with Netflix. What I'm going to do is now open my Netflix account, and here it is, and I'm gonna search for the TV series which is currently not available in my country on Netflix. As you can see, I have searched for Flash TV series which is not available on Netflix in my country, and also some other TV series like The Office. Now I'm going to connect with ExpressVPN US server, and again I'm going to refresh my Netflix homepage. And search for the Flash again. Yes, there you go. Now you can see that the Flash is available and The Office is also available in the search results. And now I'm going to play a little bit of this TV series so that we can also check the streaming speed. It's really good. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but it's running in HD. So guys, ExpressVPN passes almost all the testing, including security, usability, easy to use, or other features we need in a VPN service. So if you're planning to buy the ExpressVPN, buy it through the massively discounted links given in the description below. And if ExpressVPN looks a little bit pricey, then you can use a NordVPN as a best alternative to ExpressVPN at a somewhat lower price, but you have to compromise little with speed. So that was all about ExpressVPN. See you guys in the next video with some other tech related information. Be with us. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.